Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss how to solve the rod cutting problem easily. So if you see, there will be the given the length of the rods and their respective profits, and the maximum length value will also be given, that is 5. So what you should do is start from 0. Next 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the maximum length was 5. So you started from 0 up to 5. Now in this side, you will be writing the length of the given rods and their respective profits here. So you must take 0 as the first length and its profit will be equal to 0 in any problem. In any of the problem, you must write the first one will be of length 0. This is the hypothetical condition. You must show it in the problem. So all the values will be 0 itself. So if you see why I wrote 0 means the length of the rod is only 0. That is, I have no rods. Whether I can construct the rod of 3 meter length, whether I can construct the rod of 5 meter length, no. It is a hypothetical condition. Now let's take the length of the rods one by one. I am taking the rod length of 1 and its profit is 2. For understanding purpose, let us consider it as 1 meter. So you can calculate, no? So I must construct the 0 meter length rod using 1 meter length rod. Whether I can construct? No. I must construct 1 meter length rod using the 1 meter length rods. Here I am having the unlimited supply of 1 meter length rods and I must construct 1 meter rod. So I will be just using 1 meter rod and its profit value is 2. I am using 1 meter rod to construct 1 meter rod and the profit of 1 meter rod is 2. So it will be equal to 1 into 2 will be 2. You must be writing the profit here. You will be writing profit here. Next, I must construct the rod of 2 meter length. I am having unlimited supply of only 1 meter length. So what I will be doing, I will be using 2 1 meter rods. I will be using 2 1 meter rods. If you see, I am using 2 1 meter rods. No, for 1 meter rod, what is the profit? 2. So 2 into 2 will be 4. For 1 rod, profit was 2. I am using 2 rods. So profit is 4. Here, to construct 3 meter rods, I need 3 rods. So 3 into profit is 2. 3 2s are 6. To construct 4 meter rod, 4 into 2, 8. To construct 5 meter rod, 5 into 2, that is 10. Now if you see, I am taking the next length, that is 2 meter length rod and its profit is 5. Now I must consider 2 meter length rods also, 1 meter length rods also to construct the given rods. So the shortest trick is, you are starting from the second meter, that is 2 meter rod. So whatever before it, that is 0 meter and 1 meter, will be having the values from the previous step. So 0 meter and 1 meter will be having the values from the previous step. You will be starting from the 2 meter. Now to construct 2 meter, I am having unlimited supply of 2 meter rods and 1 meter rod. I can construct using 1 2 meter rod, or I can use 2 1 meter rods to construct the 2 meter rod. What are the possible conditions? I can use 1 2 meter rod, or I can use 2 1 meter rod to construct 2 meter rods. So find their profit. For 1 2 meter rod, profit is 5. Next, for 2 1 meter rod, for 1 meter rod, profit is 2. For 2 it will be 4. Among 5 and 4, which is the maximum value? 5. So you will be writing 5 here. My only intention in this problem is to find the maximum profit value. Only intention is to find the maximum profit. Now let's move to the next rod. I must construct 3 meter rods. I am having unlimited supply of 2 meter and 1 meter rod. What is the possible condition? I can use 3 1 meter rods. 3 1 meter rods, or I can use 1 2 meter rod and 1 1 meter rod. So this is the possible condition. So if you see the profits, 3 1 meter rod, 3 into profit of 1 1 meter rod is 2. 3 2s are 6. Next, 1 2 meter rod, profit is 5. 1 1 meter rod, profit is 2. 5 plus 2 will be 7. Among 6 and 7, which is the greater value? 7. Now, I need to construct the rod length of 4. What are the possible conditions? I can use 2 2-meter rods, or I can use 4 1-meter rods, or I can use 1 2-meter rod and 2 1-meter rods. To construct 4, I can use these 3 possible conditions. Find the profit. 2 2-meter rod. For 2-meter rod, profit is 5. I am using 2. So 5 2s are 10. 4 1-meter rod. 4 into profit of 1 rod is 2. 4 2s are 8. 1 2-meter rod. Profit is 5 plus 2 1-meter rod. For 1-meter rod, profit is 2. I am using 2 rods. So 2 2s are 4. 5 plus 4 will be 9. Among 10, 8 and 9, which is the greater value? 10. So write 10 here. Next, I must construct the rod length of 5. So what are the possible conditions? I can use 2 2-meter rods with 1 1-meter rod. 2 2-meter rod means 4 plus 1 will be 5. Or else I can use 5 1-meter rods. Or I can use 1 2-meter rod with 3 1-meter rods. So these are my possible 3 conditions. So if you see the profit, 2 2-meter rods. So 2 into profit of 1 2-meter rod is 5. Plus profit of 1 1-meter rod is 2. So 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 will be 12. 5 1-meter rod. 5 into profit of 1 rod is 2. 5 2s are 10. 1 2-meter rod. Profit is 5 plus 3 1-meter rod. 3 into 2. Profit is 2. No. So 3 into 2 will be 6. 5 plus 6 will be 11. Among 12, 10 and 11, which is the greater value? 12. So you will be writing 12 here. Now let's consider the third length. That is, length is 3 and its profit is 9. So what is the short trick? Up to the 3-meter length, copy the value from the previous step. That is for 0, 1 and 2. 0, 2 and 5. I need to construct the 3-meter length rod using 3-meter rods, 2-meter rods and 1-meter rod. So what is the possible condition? I can use 1 3-meter rod, or I can use 1 2-meter rod and 1 1-meter rod, or I can use 3 1-meter rods. These are my possible 3 conditions. If you see the profit for 1 3-meter rod is 9, profit for 1 2-meter rod is 5, plus for 1 1-meter rod it is 2. 5 plus 2 will be 7. 3 1-meter rod. 3 into profit of 1 1-meter rod is 2. So 3 2s are 6. Among 9, 7 and 6, which is the greater value? 9 is the greater value. So write 9. Now I must construct the 4-meter length rod using 3-meter, 2-meter and 1-meter rods. So what are my possible conditions? I can use 1 3-meter rod and 1 1-meter rod, or I can use 2 2-meter rods, or I can use 4 1-meter rods, or another scenario is 1 2-meter rod with 2 1-meter rods. So write all the possible conditions. If you see the profit of 1 3-meter rod is 9 plus profit of 1 1-meter rod is 2. 9 plus 2 will be 11. Profit of 2 2-meter rods. 2 into, for 1 2-meter rod, profit is 5. 5 2s are 10. Next, 4 1-meter rod. 4 into profit of 1 1-meter rod is 2. 4 2s are 8. Profit of 1 2-meter rod is 5 plus profit of 2 1-meter rod, that is 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 5 will be 9. Among 11, 10, 8 and 9, which is the greater value? 11. So write 11 here. Now I must construct the rod length of 5. So what are my possible conditions? 1 3-meter rod plus 1 2-meter rod, or 5 1-meter rods, or I can use 2 2-meter rod plus 1 1-meter rod, or I can use 1 2-meter rod with 3 1-meter rods. So these are my possible conditions to construct 5-meter rod using these many rods. So profit will be, for 3 it will be 9, and for 2-meter length rod profit is 5. So 9 plus 5 will be 14. Profit of 5 1-meter rod, 5 into 2 will be 10. Profit of 1 2-meter rod is 5. For 2 2-meter rod into 2 plus 1 1-meter rod means 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 will be 12. Profit of 1 2-meter rod is 5 plus profit of 3 1-meter rod. For 1 1-meter rod it is 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 5 will be 11. Among 14, 10, 12 and 11, which is the greater value? The greater value is of 14. So write 14. So one thing you keep in mind, when you are coming from upside to downside in each of the column, the value must be same from the previous step, or else it must be greater than the previous step. It must be same from the previous step or greater from the previous step. If the value is decreasing when you are coming downside, then your problem is wrong. So you must do it again. Now we are left out with only one length, that is length will be 4 and its profit is 6. So what is the short trick? Up to the length 4, just copy the values from the previous step. That is 0, 1, 2 and 3 will be getting the previous step. 0, 2, 5 and 9. Now I must construct the 4 meter length rod. My possible condition is I can use one 4 meter length rod, or I can use one 3 meter and one 1 meter rods, or I can use two 2 meter length rods, or I can use one 2 meter length rod and two 1 meter length rods. And another possibility is I can use 4 1 meter length rods. Find the profit. 4 1 meter length rods. So 4 into profit of one rod is 2. 4 2s are 8. Profit of one 4 meter length rod is 6. Profit of one 3 meter length rod is 9 plus profit of one 1 meter length rod is 2. 9 plus 2 will be 11. Profit of two 2 meter length rod. So 2 into profit of 2 meter length rod is 5. I am using 2 rods, so 5 into 2 will be 10. Profit of one 2 meter length rod is 5 plus profit of two 1 meter length rod. So 2 into 2 will be 4. 5 plus 4 will be 9. Among 8, 6, 11, 10 and 9, which is the greater value? 11 is the greater value. So write 11 here. Next, final value. I must construct the rod length of 5. So what will be my possible condition? I can use one 4 meter length rod and one 1 meter length rod, or I can use two 2 meter length rods with one 1 meter length rod, or I can use one 3 meter length rod, one 2 meter length rod, or I can use 5 1 meter length rods, or I can use one 2 meter length rod with two 1 meter length rods. So these are my all possible conditions. So if you see 5 1 meter length rod means, so 5 into profit of 1 meter length rod is 2. 5 2s are 10. Next, profit of one 4 meter length rod is 6 plus profit of one 1 meter length rod is 2. 6 plus 2 will be 8. Profit of two 2 meter length rod, that is 2 into 5 plus profit of one 1 meter length rod is 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 will be 12. Profit of one 3 meter length rod is 9 plus profit of one 2 meter length rod is 5. 9 plus 5 will be 14. Profit of one 2 meter length rod is 5 plus profit of two 1 meter length rod. 2 into 2 will be 4. 5 plus 4 will be 9. Among 10, 8, 12, 14 and 9, which is the greater value? 14. So if you see here, this last value which I constructed will be called as the maximum profit value. Maximum profit value. To find this maximum profit value, which and all length rods I used? I used 3 meter length rod and 2 meter length rod. So you must write the final answer as 3, 2. I used one 3 meter length rod and one 2 meter length rod to get the maximum profit of 14. So this completes the rod cutting problem. If you have any doubt, please comment below. If you liked the video, please subscribe and support us, because your one support motivates us to make more engineering related videos. Thank you.